Want to add an echo effect to your audio in CapCut? First, import your video or audio clip into the timeline, just like this. Now select the clip and select the audio. Once you have selected, you will see this voice changer in the top right corner. Click on it. Scroll down. You can see echo right here. Simply click on this button. As you can see, your echo has been added to your audio clip. That's it. Adding echo can give your audio a dramatic and atmospheric touch. Try it out and take your audio editing to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Bye bye.